Para, dito ka. Yay! Kaya niyang bumukas. Ayun na. Hi, Manong. Ay. Kamusta, Manong? Kamusta biyahe?
Hello, from Wales.
Oh my God, it's moving.
Woohoo!
Few riding tips.
Manong, dahan-dahan lang ha.
Make real
First time to mga kasama ko eh.
need to buckle up.
Ay, Manong, nag-bird beat ka ng red light ha. Si driver ka nga.
Ito ba, Manong?
Or expected.
Buckle your seatbelts.
Oh gosh.
Ah, hindi ka lulusot. Uy, classic Porsche.
Kita nyo ito.
Ayusin mo yung pagdamaneho mo ha. Magsalita ka naman. Yan na. Everybody buckled. Everyone.
Passenger seat. Speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your
Jaguar pa, no?
and remain cool unless there's an emergency. Rider support will connect with you and provide assistance.
Selfie.
Finally,
Car selfie.
and thank you.
Anong, smile. Yan, suplado naman ito. Katuwa, ano?
Change it.
Aba, meron pa music. May pa music pa. Ano ba playlist mo? Nalala mo, ka-drive ako ng E-Place dati.
Okay na, picture na kita. Oh, may record ka ba?
Hindi. Picture mo ako, JP.
Here,
Ah,
no, this side.
kita.
This side. Oh, silip pa dito.
Sampaling ko to eh. Ba na traffic pa? Mambira naman oh.
Ah, yung next na right.
Oh. I think no. See? It's not scary. Galing mo mag-drive ah. 5-star review to. 5